Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making ginger biscuits. What you will need: 6 ounces of plain flour, 3 ounces of sugar, 3 ounces of butter, 1 yolk of an egg, and 2 teaspoons of ground ginger for a mild taste, or you can add more if you want a stronger taste. Line your tray with greaseproof paper and preheat your fan oven to 170 degrees. Add your flour and butter into a bowl and rub them together using your hands. Now add your dry ingredients, which are your sugar and ginger. Once you have mixed them in together, add 1 egg yolk. Now roll out your dough of your biscuit thinly. Now cut your biscuits out using a medium size cutter. Then place them on a baking tray. Make sure you leave enough space in between. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.